Welcome to this short film by the TOPNES collaboration. We are a group of scientists working at universities around the world who are trying to understand the behaviour of new types of materials. Our world is governed by materials, and solid materials have a wide variety of properties. Metals conduct electricity easily, while insulators don't. Semiconductors are in between and are crucial for modern technologies. Some, like iron, are naturally magnetic, but others are not at all. So, what makes this variety possible? The different behaviour of electrons in solids. How can we learn about electrons in a solid? One way is to fire particles into the solids to measure them. For example, positive muons, which are a bit like big positively charged electrons. We make the muons for our experiments, but muons also come from space. In fact, one passes through our bodies about once a second. We fire a beam of muons into our sample to study their magnetic properties. Magnets can exert forces on other magnets to make them move. This happens because when electrons in solids move, they generate magnetic fields that spread out from the sample. In fact, both muons and electrons are like little bar magnets. When the electrons' magnetic fields move, the muons move too. So how do we know what the muons are doing? The trick is that muons typically live only about 2 millionths of a second. Then they turn into 3 different kinds of particles. One of these, a positron, flies off along the direction of the muon's magnet and leaves the sample. When we detect this positron, we can work out which way the muon's magnet was pointing. Using millions of muons, we build up a picture of magnetism inside the sample. In our experiments, we use a particle accelerator to create muons. Muons are used to understand and improve the properties of many materials used in technology and healthcare. The aim of our research is to study the atoms and electrons in materials to understand why they have the properties they do, so that one day we can make a material with any property we would like to have. Imagine making a material which you can write on and tastes as good as chocolate. There would be much less waste paper. If we've got you interested and you'd like to know more, here's what to do. Do you already know a bit about physics? Then check out these videos, which have been made with you in mind. Looking for a simpler introduction to what we do? Then have a look at these. For details of our research and public engagement activities, here's a link to the TOPNES website. Thanks for watching.